Now other people are watching these videos and they're like, okay, this is acceptable. No, it's not. This is dangerous. You will die young. Steroids will make your organs grow larger than they should actually grow inside you. It's not just your muscles that grow, but your organs inside will start growing as well. And they're not supposed to grow as big as your muscles. Like you're becoming a mutant. Short term glory. Like for what? Like what is.
It's honestly, what do
Man.
parents think about the fact that you're on steroids? My dad isn't too supportive of it. And he was very
Yeah, why would he?
like, "What are you doing to yourself? Like, you're gonna hurt yourself." He's just like worried for me. I explained to him everything, told him like, "Hey, like I'm doing this regardless, basically. Even if you tell me not to do it, I'm still gonna do it. So if I'm gonna do it,
This kid. Man, 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 man. Ah, man. Having parents like that, the kids just rolling over you, just being like, I'll do whatever I want to do. Anyway, because as a parent, like, he's not an adult. Like, your responsibility as a parent is to be a parent, not to be his homie. Not telling him, yo, okay, cool. Like, no, you're his parent. There are ways to handle this kid. There are ways to handle this kid. He wants to be a man, let him be a man. But anyway,
I'm gonna do it like in the safest way possible. I just want you to know that. I mean, like, I look healthy. I am healthy, and I can show my blood work.
Lila told CBS News he blocked his parents from his social media. They learned of the steroid use after a family.
the blood work, yeah, sure, you're fine now, but the consequences are not always immediate. Some of the bodybuilders who've competed in Olympia have died after several years into their career. So these things don't happen immediately. Most of the stuff is happening inside. And when your body starts to fail, it fails, boom, just like that. When your body says that it wants to shut down, already on its own, naturally, it has intelligence. It knows how to manage its hormones. It knows how to help you build muscle naturally if you also do the work, if you also eat real food and do it right. Your body will help you. And it's about a lifestyle. You're not a real gym bro. It's a lifestyle that you're developing because you want to keep on training for the rest of your life. It's not about looks right now when you're 16. That's not what it's about. Where are you rushing to? The goal of health is for you to remain healthy and keep going and not get sick. Live a long life. That's what health and fitness is about. Not steroids, not chemicals. He needs to take biology and chemistry and go into a lab and see how they actually make this stuff. I've taken chemistry, like organic chemistry, mixing all of these acids and whatnots and catalysts and whatnot. I did all of that stuff and I could tell you, like, there's a yield that you have to get, but still, it's like compounds mix, chemical reaction when two things meet together. And then when something else meets, it's going to create something different. And when you provide your body synthetic substances, your body is going to have to learn to interact with those substances. Yeah, sure, they'll tell you, like, okay, because it has this compound, the structure of this molecule is the same as this molecule that your body naturally produces. But the point that they don't really emphasize on is that your body is a complex system. First of all, it's not as simple as just saying, oh, yeah, because the molecule is the same. The body is a complex system. And every person's body is going to be different. Markers in the blood are not always good enough. They're still not good enough if you really want an optimal life, a healthy life. Those markers are a part, a piece, a sneak peek into what's going on in your body, but they're not the full picture. They're not the full picture of everything. They don't tell you longevity. If you end up having some sort of like condition, God forbid something happens, you don't know how your body's going to interact with those synthetic substances and molecules in your body. And also, you now have to take medication to treat whatever condition you might have. So, man, I wish you a long life, healthy life, but damn, bro.
Family member saw a video and informed them. Lila's father declined an on-camera interview, but told us he's deeply concerned about his son and overwhelmed by the misinformation Zion uses to justify his steroid use. Are you not worried that you could do?
No, like even I had a transformation, 3-year transformation, natural. I think I probably look maybe just as good as this guy, natural, right? He's saying 1 year, but he's not 10 years. Like 10 years is like a long time, bro. Like 10 years is a long time. Like in 1 to 2 years, especially if you really start training when your hormones are peaking, man, the transformation will be crazy. It'll be crazy. So whatever you think you're doing right now, bro, just stop. Just stop. Stop while you're ahead. I mean, some of the damage might be done already, but just stop while you're ahead. Just stop. If you haven't, don't do it. Don't do it. If you haven't started taking any steroids or gotten into this looks maxing thing where you're hurting yourself, the proper ways to do looks maxing without having to do all of that stuff.